Mom!
Oh, I didn't know I had a part. Okay, sorry. Hello, welcome to today's video.
We just landed in Denver and we had a great dinner.
We're gonna go to Target, pick up some
I'm gonna grab an Xbox Elite.
Xbox Elite, and we'll see you back home.
Bananas. We're at Nana's place.
We're here. What are you doing? Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing?
That's all for today. Night, everyone.
Expected him to be
Thank you. Blueberry, banana, watermelon, berries down on the bottom there.
very good for you.
Yeah.
I'm eating fruit, my second cinnamon roll, milk, and a hard-boiled egg if I'm feeling frisky.
Everyone, we're going to the gym.
Just got a really good workout in at Lifetime.
I play basketball.
Rodriguez from Austin and Alley. I'm Jean Elias from Dog Claw. My name is Trey. I have a basketball game tomorrow.
I love the power. 20 minutes out of 22 on the erg. I ran a mile and then I did some core work. Hey guys! What's up? This is some dude we found on the street.
All people on Instagram.
Mom, you're not doing so well.
Hey, Natalie. Birthday. I think I'm gonna throw up.
Hi, good morning. We're going to go Black Friday shop Park Meadows Mall. Maybe Cherokee.
Meadows.
We're not in the
Meadows. Time to go.
We're trying to get JP off the freaking couch. He's right there. We finally got our butts out of Nana's house. 7:58.
Ugh.
Here we are. It's almost 2 o'clock. My new hoodie on.
I'm an adult virgin.